Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. So today we are going to solve this question, and this is a very beautiful example of how the GRE tests your understanding of the normal distribution. Not heavy formulas but interpretation. So let's read the problem very carefully. We are shown a normal distribution curve with mean M and standard deviation D. The diagram shows approximate percentages in each region from M minus 2D to M minus D, that is 14%, from M minus D to M, 34%, from M to M plus D, that is 34%, and from M plus D to M plus 2D, that is 14%, and beyond M plus minus 2D, 2% in each tail. Okay, so this is a classic empirical rule distribution. About 68% within one standard deviation, okay, about 95% within the two standard deviations, and about 99% within the three standard deviation. Now let's read the actual question. For a population of 8 lakh subway riders, the numbers of subway trips taken per rider last January are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 56 trips and a standard deviation of 13 trips. Approximately how many of the riders took between 30 and 43 trips last January? So let's underline the key numbers, that population is eight lakhs, mean M is 56 trips, and standard deviation D is 13 trips. Okay, now we are asked how many riders took between 30 and 43 trips. So first convert 30 and 43 into the standard deviation form. First calculate how far 30 is from the mean. Mean is what? 56. 30 is how far below 56. That is 56 minus 30, that is 26. Now how many standard deviation is 26? Standard deviation is what? 13. So 26 by 13, that is 2. So 30 is equal to what? M minus 2D. Now check 43. 56 minus 43 is what? 13. So 13 by 13 will be what? 1. So 43 is equal to M minus D, right? So the interval 30 to 43 corresponds exactly to from M minus 2D to M minus D. Now look at the diagram. What percentage lies between M minus 2D and M minus D? The diagram shows 14%. Okay, so approximately 14% of the riders fall in that range. Now find the 14% of 8 lakhs. So let's calculate 14% of 8 lakh. Look, 10% is what? 80,000, right? So 1% is what? 8,000. So 4%, 32,000. So 14% will be what? 80,000 plus 32,000, that is 1,12,000, right? Therefore approximately 1,12,000 riders took between 30 and 43 trips. Now let's pause and understand what we did conceptually. We did not use the complicated Z-score formula. We simply translated raw numbers into the standard deviation units, identify the correct region in the normal distribution diagram, and applied the percentage to the total population. This is exactly how GRE expects you to think. Okay, now let's reinforce the logic deeply so you master it. Why is the region between m minus 2d and m minus d equal to 14? Because from m minus d to m plus d is 68%. So from m minus d to m is half of 68%, which is 34%. Now from m minus 2d to m plus 2d is about what? 95%. So the portion between 1 and 2 standard deviation on one side is what? 95% minus 68%, that is 27% total on both sides. Half of 27% is what? About 13.5%, rounded to 14. So that's where the 14% comes from. Okay, so always remember, between 1 and 2 standard deviations on the side is near about 14%. Okay, now let's quickly do a check. 30 trips is quite far below the mean of 56. It is two standard deviations below. That's already fairly uncommon. So we expect a smallish percentage, not huge like 34%. 14% sounds reasonable. Now multiply by a large population like 8 lakh and we get what? 1,12,000. That seems realistic. Now let's discuss the common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Thinking 30 to 43 covers two regions. Some students might mistakenly think it includes the 2 percentile. But notice, 30 is what? Exactly m minus 2d. So we are not including anything below 30. We are only including the band between m minus 2d and m minus d. So we use only the 14% region. Right? So second mistake often students do is using 34%. Some students see 43 is one standard deviation below and immediately think 34%. But 34% is from m minus d to m, not from m minus 2d to m minus d. Okay, right. So always map the interval very carefully. Now the mistake number 3, forgetting to multiply by the population. The question does not ask you for the percentage. It asks how many riders. So we must convert percentage to actual number. So now let's summarize the full structure solution. So the mean is what? 56. Mean is 56. Standard deviation is what? Standard deviation is 13. So 30 is equal to what? 56 minus 26, or that is 56 minus 2 into 13, that is m minus 2d, and 43 is what? 56 minus 13, that is m minus d. Okay, so area between m minus 2d and m minus d is near about 14%. Now 14% of 8 lakh is 1,12,000. So final answer is approximately 1,12,000 riders. Okay, so this is the whole solution for this question. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.